Hi, welcome to Develop with HMS Core. In this code lab, we are going to integrate HUAWEI Map Kit in cab booking application. Map Kit is an SDK for map development that covers map data in more than 200 countries and regions. Map Kit continuously optimizes the map detailed display capability and support gestures including zoom, rotation, moving and tilt to ensure smooth interaction experience with the map. Here, we will set user's current location on map view and draw a route between 2 points on the map using MapKit Direction API. Now, let's start coding. Open Android Studio. Make sure agconnect services.json file is added under app directory. Open project level build.gradle file, add the HUAWEI Maven repository and class path. Open application level build.gradle file and add HUAWEI Map Kit dependency. Open manifest file and make sure the required permissions are added. Open the HUAWEI Map Activity class. Implement the onMapReady callback interface. Go to onCreate method. Initialize MapView object which is added in XML file of the activity. To add map instance, call MapView.onCreate method and pass saved instance state parameter. Call getMapAsync method to register the callback. Obtain the HUAWEI map object in onMapReady callback and set my location enable as true. Add the lifecycle method of MapView to their respective callback method of the activity lifecycle. Call confirm cab booking method and direction API method to draw a route between source and destination. Create request JSON object and put start and end locations. Create a request body object and pass request JSON as parameter. Create OKHTTP client and request object. Set URL with the help of driving base URL, driving suffix and API key. Then post the request body, build the request and call client.newCall method. Get the response and call generate route for map method with response body. After obtaining the response from the direction API, parse it using JSON object. Obtain the path, steps and polyline JSON objects. Add the polyline latitude, longitude into path list object. Then start rendering the route on map view using handler and call driver coming to your location method. Call showPath and showMovingCab methods. In showPath, get the list of latlong and create a latlongbounds.builder object. Add list item into builder and animate the HUAWEI map camera. Create polyline options object, set the color and width. Add latlong list object and call HUAWEI map.addPolyline method to draw the polyline. Add source and destination markers and animate the polyline using polylineanimators.start method. Now the coding is completed. Well, that's all for today's episode. In the upcoming video of this series, we will take you through the integration of HMS Site Kit to complete cab booking application. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below or visit HUAWEI developer website and be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.